The first thing we need to understand is we can't change how much air this displaces every revolution. That piston's going to go down and it's going to pull 500-600 cc's. So this is where the cross-sectional area of the induction system becomes so important, because as we change the size, we change the relative airspeed to either RPM or piston speed. Now, hopefully you get that. Meaning that this has to displace X amount of volume, and the atmosphere has to fill that volume as this creates that negative pressure. So the duct size is going to dictate how fast the airspeed will be, and that's also going to dictate how much inertia and how soon we optimize inertia filling. Meaning that if the piston goes all the way to the bottom, remember it starts coming back up, but the valve is still open. So if the duct is very big, we have very low airspeed. So as soon as this piston turns around and the cylinder pressure increases even a little bit, the air stalls in this port and starts getting pushed up. And that's pretty much what happens in every engine under peak torque. So under peak torque, we're pushing air up into the intake, and that's why engines are choppy. So as we adjust not only the MCA, but the whole duct, we change where we have that peaking, where we want the usable power. And it comes down to a balance of that inertia and velocity. Obviously, we can change the velocity by reducing the MCA. So an MCA of 1.4 on this same combo might be 4,000. And then a 1.7, again, guys, I'm not using exact numbers. These are just rough. 1.7 will be at 5,000. And then 1.9 at 7,000. So you can see just by changing, say, even just the shape, not the total shape, but say the MCA was here. And then we reduce the cross-sectional area like that. So now that cross-sectional area is 1.7. Even though the valve size is the same and the plenum size is the same, we've changed our average velocity through the port. Not the perfect way to do it, but this is how easy you can influence an engine's power just by changing the minimal cross-sectional area. But this leads into what I was saying before, where is it?
This clip is from Induction Secrets Part 4. Head over to Bain Racing on YouTube for the complete episode.